Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the space. Open the suggestions channel and set permissions so everyone can post. This prevents hidden or locked feedback. Once done, put a clear pin template to standardize ideas, title, description, benefit, because structured input speeds review. Make sure emoji reactions and a voting role exist so people can respond quickly. That creates immediate engagement and measurable interest, which you'll use next to prioritize suggestions effectively. Now you collect and organize incoming suggestions. Require the template and add tags like bug, idea, or urgent because tags let you filter at scale. Once suggestions arrive, start threads or log entries in a shared spreadsheet for status tracking. This avoids lost items. Then assign a reviewer or small committee and schedule a weekly triage meeting to evaluate impact and effort so decisions are transparent. Make sure votes, comments, and reviewer notes stay visible to keep the community informed. Finish by implementing the highest priority suggestions. Add them to a public roadmap with milestones and owners because visibility builds trust. Once deployed, announce the change, credit contributors, and close or archive the suggestion thread so people see resolution. If progress stalls, reopen the thread, reevaluate priority, and communicate constraints clearly. This prevents frustration. One troubleshooting tip: if voting is inconsistent, reset the reaction set and re-promote the template. Inconsistent input is the main reason suggestions go nowhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.